Hi, I am V. Hariharan. Now I am going to discuss about software testing and how software testing techniques are helpful in industries. Coming to the definition of software testing is a process of evaluating the functionality of a software product. It detects the bugs, errors, and mistakes in a software product, and the main aim of software testing is to meet the business and technical requirements of a software product. It can also be stated as the verification and validation process of the software product. So this is called software testing. In today's fast growing world of internet, the customer wants an application to be errorless, to be responsive, to be fast, and to have new features. So all this has to be developed within a short span of time. So it is a bit difficult to developers, but if without caring this, if we develop anything with errors or any bug, it will affect the customers, and it will give a bad impact on the application, and it will spoil the reputation of the organization. So here comes software testing, which is an important phase in the software development life cycle. When we talk about software testing, there are many techniques in software testing which are very helpful for industries. So the software testing process helps the industry in the following ways. Quality assurance. So any company's main motto is to build a better quality. It can be done through software testing. The next is to avoid the dangerous situations. So there are many situations in which there will be loss of cost, loss of time, and several things. So by software testing, they can be avoided. And the next one is software testing's main motto is to build a reliable software for an organization. Software testing makes a product strong and consistent. So this strong and consistent product will make a business successful and goodwill. Testing is required for effective performance of software or product. It is important that the software should not face any failures, so that we are doing software testing. So if the software faces any failures, then there is waste of time and there will be waste of budget. So software testing is very important. So the main motto of building any software is the customer satisfaction. So if the software testing process is done, then we can achieve customer satisfaction, because if the testing is done properly, then there will be no bugs, no errors, no mistakes, which automatically leads to customer satisfaction. And the another important thing is the software testing achieves the security of the software. So the user can believe the software if it's well tested. So our software will be trustworthy, and the user details will also be very safe. Let us consider a software with interesting and cool features which disrupts in front of the user. So this will be quite disgusting for the user to use, even that is an interesting feature. So here the testing comes to avoid those kind of situations. The testing provides ease to the user to use the software. So there are many advantages of software testing. So some of them are, so the software testing makes the software comfortable to use. It minimizes the cost, and the software testing shows any bad hidden features in the software. Also, it can accelerate the development of the software. In the world of software testing, there are many types of testing like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, etc. So when a software is completely or wholly evaluated on its functionality, then it comes under the black box testing. So it is called black box testing. So in this black box testing, we will evaluate the functionality of the whole system. So, and there is another type which is white box testing. Here we will evaluate the each and every code of the software and whether the code is working properly or not. It is white box testing. Also there is unit testing, in which we test the product unit by unit. I mean, like modules by modules. Nowadays, there are many software testing tools to test a software, which makes the job easier. So these software testing tools automate the software developed by the developers. So it is clear that the process of software testing is major in these days, and it is even becoming very easy. So I can conclude that the software testing is designed to check the functionality and reliability of completely integrated software product. So the main aim of the software testing is to satisfy the end users requirement, business requirement, functional requirements, technical requirements, and even non-functional requirements also. Thank you.